The MIX is a multi-purpose household survey program which is designed to collect data on the situation of women and children in Zimbabwe. This is a multi-million-dollar undertaking which takes over USD 3 million. The MIX data is used to monitor progress in the implementation of national development plans such as the NDS and international commitments such as the SDGs. Zimbabwe has been conducting the MIX since 2009, and the survey rounds would come after every 5 years. The last survey was implemented in 426 EAs and 12,012 households, which were spread across the country to give estimates at provincial and national levels. Though every effort was made to reach out to all the households by the 17 mobile teams that were working in the MIX, this includes the hard-to-reach areas such as the Eastern Highlands, part of the country, as data was collected during the rainy season, January to April of 2019. Some of the households were located on top of mountains and some in extremely low-lying areas such as valleys. Despite these challenges, most of the assembled households were reached by our teams, as evidenced by a response rate of over 90%. Another challenge that we faced was on low mobile connectivity. This made synchronizing data with the central server extremely difficult, as it was a requirement for enumerators to send data to the central server for error checking.
The multiple indicator cluster servers are able to create data, the type of data that governments could use. We constantly work on trying to capture new emerging issues through our data work. One of them is water quality testing.
I participated in the previous MIX, which was done in 2019 into 2020. I received intense and rigorous training for it, going through all the modules and writing tests. I got to receive wide experience, having the chance not only to interact with communities, but also to learn the skills on how to probe further, while interviewing individuals to expose important information wisely. But however, we also experienced challenges in low-density areas. Sometimes people don't open their gates, so we learned to be patient and wait for them when they are going in or out and persuade them to participate. The whole process was able to give me personal satisfaction to appreciate that I had been given the opportunity to contribute to national statistics.
We are using MIX as a source of key data that informs our proposals, advocacy work, and a lot more relatable uses in our work as a youth organization focused on ensuring young people a voice, space, and capacity to advocate. For example, information we got from MIX states that 1 woman out of 3 in Zimbabwe, 33.7%, aged between 20 and 49, was married before age 18. This kind of data and information has informed our work and shaped our programming by allowing us to zero down to provinces and districts with great need, especially Mashonaland Central and Mashonaland West. With data from MIX, young people organized efforts and formulated a position paper during the public consultation phase of the Marriages Act and submitted it to Parliament with key recommendations and their thoughts. Some of the key statistics in that paper were from MIX 2019. MIX results inform our evidence-based advocacy with varied parliamentary committees, ensuring that our advocacy is informed by a trusted source of data. In crafting the Education Amendment Act, varied organizations and interest groups lobbied Parliament to ensure teenage girls who fell pregnant were easily reintegrated into formal education. Through these efforts and other related ones passed through informed by data from MIX.